Hello and welcome back. This is Steve at Box Coins and welcome to a new £2 coin review. On Monday of last week, this today being the Sunday, so it would have been on the 14th, they issued this new £2 coin. I received it just on Saturday, which was yesterday. It's a 2022 coin. It's a £2 coin. The packaging, I don't know if you can see it, if I get a pointy stick. Here and here the packaging has been creased in the post, or it may have been creased at Westminster, I don't know. But it was sent out to me in this state. Not much you can do about it. I have ordered two of these. One I get on the subscription service. I have a subscription service to the 50p, the £2 and the £5 coins that come out. So one is automatically saved to me of each of the coins as they are released and is sent to me. I ordered a second one, so this one being in a creased packaging doesn't matter so much, in the fact that I will take this one out of this packaging if the other one is not as badly creased or is totally uncreased, which is what I hope for. I'll take this out of the packaging and I'll put it into my date run of £2 coins. It has the JC portrait, it's in the blue change checker packaging, and of course it's the one that celebrates 150 years of the FA Cup. Can you see that clearly? What you have around the top is celebrating 150 years of the FA Cup that goes all the way round from sort of 7 o'clock to 5 o'clock, reading in a clockwise direction. You then have the trophy itself. There are some writing on there which I believe is the FA Challenge Cup, and this has been going for 150 years. That doesn't automatically mean there'll be 150 finals, because don't forget we had the wars between 1914 and 1918 and the Second World War between 1939 and 1945. Now how many of those years where the finals were actually played is I'm unsure, but probably the one in 1914 was played, and certainly probably the one in 1939 was played, would be my guess. So we haven't yet had 150 FA Cup finals, but this is the 150th year of the competition, or since the competition started. The coin itself, it's a fairly straightforward coin, fairly basic coin. It has the trophy, and it has the fact that it's celebrating the 150th anniversary of the inception of the trophy. So everything on this coin points to what it actually is. There's no second guessing. It's a very basic design, but one that I think that should it be released will be highly collectible and highly looked for amongst collectors. Now I don't know if this one is being released. I haven't heard any rumours as to whether it is or not. I know they do have some deep store Britannias, I believe, from 2021, or was it 2020? One of the 2 years, which have not yet been released into circulation. So, you know, if they've... What I don't understand about... Going slightly off the point, what I don't understand about our friends at the Mint is that they put 3 million coins into long storage, waiting for when people need them. Why don't they, if they know they're going to be putting so many £1 million worth of coins into storage, why don't they make so many of them, say, have 3 coins of 1 million each, and make 2 of them commemoratives, if you want to keep one lot as a definitive, or make the definitive the rare one and print 3 or 4 other commemorative coins, maybe from that year, that people would appreciate, because coin collecting is thought of very much as an older person's hobby. However, we're getting more and more young people being interested in that hobby through the children character coins, such as the Peter Rabbits and the Beatrix Potter range, and also more recently the ongoing Winnie the Pooh range. And we've also had the Gruffalo. So we've had plenty of those coins that will get younger people interested in the hobby, and it's important that we do ignite their passion for the hobby. We don't want the hobby to die out. I don't think it ever will, and I think if we ever went to what they call the cashless society, they would still, at the Royal Mint, be producing commemorative coins. My little rant over. What do you think of this coin? Do you like it? Do you have it in your collection? Are you trying to buy it? It took several hours for some people to get onto the website to be able to order the coin, and they're still waiting for it to come in. They're having to wait for a second printing. Are you one of those people? Give me a call down below in the comments and tell me what you think. Are you going to take this coin into your collection? Right, for those of you who are having a hunt, I hope you have a successful one and you find the coins you're looking for. For those of you buying coins, wherever you're getting them from, I hope you get them for the price that you want to pay. A little bit of an appeal now. I am looking to grow the channel, so if you've enjoyed this video and you think I deserve it, please give me the thumbs up. It doesn't take you a second of your time, and it will be very much appreciated. Also, if you're a returner and not subscribed yet, or if it's your first time and you've enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel. As I say, I am trying to grow it, and you in subscribing and giving me thumbs up helps my algorithm to allow me to go in front of people who have not yet seen my videos, and hopefully get them to subscribe as well. And until we meet up on the next time, which I hope will be not too far into the distant future, as I do 4 videos a week, until then, from me, bye bye now, ta-da.